Detective. Detective!
What, asshole? I'm trying to eat my lunch.
There's a murder on 8th Street.
Let's roll.
Here we are, Mason.
The cops are here, man!
Oh shit!
Hide the shit, man! Going somewhere, asshole.
Cocaine, detective.
That's strange, detective. I could have sworn they threw the cocaine out the window.
But it's right there in your hand, detective.
Because you see, detective, sometimes there's no evidence. Captain,
What you want, Mason?
got something to tell you about your new do-good little rookie.
Get to the point, Mason. Pure 100% cocaine.
Yeah, and guess who tried to take it from the crime scene?
That little bastard. I didn't hire him to take this kind of shit. I'll deal with the rookie later, Mason. Now get out of here!
I was blind for time, now I find the choice of mine.
What you want, Sarge? What the fuck is this? Mason took that stuff, I swear! Don't give me that bullshit. Mason is a good cop. You got it all wrong, Sarge. This is your first one, rookie. Now get out of here or I'll kick your ass so hard you'll be on crutches for a month.